I have joined Lechpal Institute regarding my CFA tuition classes, and I find this institute really helpful in my study preparation regarding the materials and the tutor explanation, discussion in the classes. It's really very helpful to open the concepts and to elaborate on the steps how to perform the solutions and all. I really thank Lechpal Institute to help me to carry forward my career towards CFA. Thank you.
I've been studying with Lynchpin for the last over 2 months. It has been a good experience, and the tutors are very well informed, and they have been educating us and informing us on how the CFA program is being run and how to attempt the examination. And I believe it's a good institute to join, and it will add value to whoever is studying for this qualification of CFA. Thank you.
Regarding the CFA, it was quite easy for me to manage because it's evening classes. When I had like 2 things to manage, I had to manage my college also and my evening classes also. It was pretty much easier for me to come over here and manage. The staff is really helpful. At any point of time you don't get anything, they'll help you at any point of time. The sirs are quite cooperative. Any problems you have, any doubts they have, they clear it at that point of time. The students, the environment around is quite friendly, it's quite helpful at any point of time. It's quite easier for me to manage being a university student and plus doing CFA. It's quite tough. I thought it will be hectic for me and all. But yeah, now for me it's pretty easy because everything is easier to manage with the people around me.
I think the classes are very efficient and very effective, and it keeps you up to date with the material that you're supposed to study and read throughout the CFA. I think the classes are very essential if you really want to pass your CFA in one go. And I think the classes are more better way than doing self-study because it's a descriptive class, as in the class discussion is there, and sometimes you might have the doubts which you might not have when you're studying all alone. So when people raise different questions, it puts your thoughts into pondering that yes, this could also be a possibility, and then you start exploring more about that material. Classes definitely do help, and I'm really glad of joining Lynchpin. It has made my CFA course very helpful and very effective.
I started with the Lynchpin on December 2010. When first time I came, I was received by the manager of the office, Mr. Farouk, who gave me a lot of information about ACCA, the thing that I was looking for. Even if I weren't really ready to make it, I decided to take the classes. I started by private tuitions, and after for medical reason I stopped it and I came back. When I came back, I did the first 3 papers with the classes, and I was so happy. It was hard for me because working and studying and taking care of the family, but I'm happy with it. And for second time I'm coming for F4, 5 and 6, and I'm coming to study, and I'm happy with that.
I've joined Lynchpin College, and it's a really good college to be at. I've learned a lot, the teachers are really good, and I recommend it to everyone.
Well, I'm a student at the Lynchpin Training Center, and it was really helpful because I'm taking classes for the ACCA program. I have signed up for 2 classes, and the classes have been helpful with the teacher explaining the course, and especially study tips on how to